Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammed Arslan and you're watching my channel MArcSiddiqui. In the previous lecture we studied how to write the whole document in the browser using the document.write, and now in today's lecture we are going to use alert and we are going to see that how it is going to work with our JavaScript. So we are using alert and the braces. So whatever we will write in the braces, it is going to appear in our browser. So using alert will appear like a pop-up message of notification on the top of the screen. So it is going to appear on the top of the browser, and as the script runs, as the script of alert runs, a message will appear on the pop-up. So let's see how it is working. So the screen is ready. I have already written the basic code, and as I told you in the last lecture that I am not going to write this basic code again and again. So I'm going to continue with this and I'm going to write h1 basic element and my name again. And just one paragraph, and it is not going to be so big. So just save it and refresh the page and you can see the results appearing here. Now after the body I'm going to create a script tag. And in the script tag I am just writing alert, braces, and in the quotation I am going to write, hi, you are watching my channel, and terminated is mandatory. So just save the page, and as I refresh, the script runs and the message which I write here, it is appearing completely here. And you can see that it is loading, is still loading, because the page is not loaded completely so far, because we are stuck here, and unless we do not press OK, we are not going to come to this line and the whole document is not going to get loaded. So as I click OK, the loading finish and the content appears. So we can do this on the button click as well. So just create a button, show message, refresh the browser, message appears and nothing is happening. So I'm going to create an event on click, and on click I am writing alert, and in braces I am writing in single quote, hi, this is button message. So it will run, but before that I want to remove this script because I just want to show you one message. I don't want two messages to be appear. So just save the page and refresh it, and nothing appears because this click event has not been called so far. So as I just click it, the message is appearing, hi, this button message. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any query, you need to ask something, so you can write back to me. Have a comment below, and if you need any help, so you can contact me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.